Hi everyone. Thank you for joining me again on Puzzle Shark. This puzzle is called a Kilominx. It's a dodecahedron and it's a pretty fun puzzle. I think you'll enjoy it. There's only two algorithms that we're going to be using. And I'm going to show you the quick movement notations so that way the tutorial will be pretty simple for you. So let's get started. So just to let you know, real quick, if I ask you to turn up, that means turning this part up here once clockwise, as if it's facing you. So for example, again, up. If I say up inverted, that means counterclockwise. So up inverted, up inverted. If I say right, it's the same thing. You turn the right side clockwise as if it's facing you. So right. If I say right inverted, it's the opposite. Right inverted. If I say left, it's the same thing as if you turn it clockwise as if it's facing you. So left. If I say left inverted, it's counterclockwise. And that's all you need to know. So let's scramble this bad boy and get started. Okay, so now since it's scrambled, now we can begin. So what we're going to want to do is we are going to want to create a white face first. So we're going to want to create a white face on top first. So let's look for a white piece. Oh, here's one right here. Okay, so we're going to want to move this piece anywhere up here. It doesn't matter. So there we go. So we started with this. So we're going to want to find another white piece that can go either here or here. So this white piece is either going to have blue or red. So the white piece is either going to have blue or red. So if it has blue, it's going to go here. If it has red, it's going to go here. So let's find either a white piece that has red or blue. Oh, here's one right here. So this one has red. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put it on the bottom. So that way we can move it around easily without disturbing any of our work up here. So we're gonna want to bring it around, swing it up here. And we're going to want to bring it up this direction and put it underneath where it has to go. So underneath where it has to go. It has to go here. So let us do our first algorithm. So this algorithm is pretty common in the cubing community. So this algorithm goes like so. So it goes like this. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Don't forget that last down move. Continue with it until it goes into place. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. There we go. And voila. We've been able to pair these up perfectly. Now let's find another white piece. This white piece can either have blue or green now. So let's see. Do we see another white? Oh yes, there's one right here. So like I said, we're going to want to bring it to the bottom. So that way we can move it around. And so this one has green, so we're going to want to bring it up here to this side, so that way we can pair it up with green, white and green. So now that we brought it here, let's actually bring it right here, bring this piece up like so that way it's underneath where it has to go. And we're going to do that algorithm again. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Remember, don't forget that last down move because it's going to be important later and you can end up messing up everything if you forget that. All right. Let's see. Oh, okay. So we need a white piece that either has purple or blue. And here is one actually right here. This one has blue. So like so. Again, we're going to bring it to the bottom, and we're going to bring it all the way to pair up with the blue over here. So remember, we're going to bring it underneath where it has to go, like so. And we're going to do the algorithm like before. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. There we go, and voila. Now let's look for our final white piece. And there it is right there, actually, right underneath where it has to go. How cool is that? So let's do that algorithm one more time, and it should go properly there. Here we go. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. You're going to be doing the algorithm a lot. Okay, so cool. Now what we want to do is we're going to want to do this next layer, the second layer. So, like so, these ones. So let's do these next. So these are pretty easy to find, so let's just pick a color. Let's go with green. Okay, so we're gonna complete the green side, so these pieces. So let's look for a green piece that either has purple or a green piece that has red. So let's see. Oh, here we go, a green piece that has red. So we're gonna want to take this, and we're going to want to bring it right here. And then we're going to want to flip it on up where it has to go, so it's in the right place. Now, it's oriented improperly, but that's okay because it's in the right place. This is how you fix this. You take the cube and you bring it to the side like this so that the white face is on your left side like this. That way you don't mess up anything. And you do that algorithm like before. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. There you go. And you have placed that piece perfectly where it has to go. So you can bring the white face back up here and continue looking for the next piece. So where's the other green piece? Green and purple. Let's see. Green and purple. Is that it? Oh, yep, that's it. Green and purple. So let's bring it where it has to go. All right. So bring it right here. And bring it on up here. So it's where it has to go. But again, it has to be oriented properly. So again, we're going to take this side and we're going to bring it right here so that the white face is to my left. And we're going to do like before. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Okay, cool. Restore this back in that position. So there we go, green, green. So now we can do this a little faster because I think that you get the point. You just do the same for the rest of them. So let's complete the red side now. So we just need red and blue. So let's see if we can find red and blue. Da, 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 da. Oh, here it is. Red and blue. So we have a issue where it's in between two pieces that we already completed, and we don't want to mess these pieces up. So in order to fix this, all you have to do is this. You just go right inverted, down inverted, and right. And that will kick that piece out of place and restore this piece. So that's all you do. Now, it's right here. So red and blue. So we're going to bring it to the red and blue side. There we go. So it has to go right here. So now you just bring it on up. And again, like before, it's in the right place, but oriented wrong. That's okay. Bring this to the side, and here we go. Like before, right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down. Yay! Okay, restore this back in its position. All right, and now we have to do blue and yellow. Oh, there's blue and yellow right here. Okay, there we go. Blue and yellow. Okay, so like so. Bring it here so we can orient it correctly. All right, so right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down. Perfect. Bring this back up here. Now we have to do yellow and purple, and that will be it for this layer. So where is a yellow and purple piece? Oh, right here, I think. Yes, right down here. So that's easy. We're just gonna move it around, bring it here, and here we go. Just bring it on up. Sometimes when you do place these pieces where they go, there we go. Sometimes when you do place these pieces where they go, they actually are perfectly oriented. I haven't had any of luck with either of them, and that's quite all right because I'm glad I get to show you how to orient these properly. That gives me a chance to teach you that. So it just needs to be oriented correctly. It's in the right place. So again, bring the white side to the left of make it face to the left side. And now we're going to do this algorithm again. Right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down, right inverted, whoops, right down, right inverted, right down. Okay, bring this white face back up here. Okay, so now it looks like we have completed the second layer. Perfect. Now we're going to want to complete the third layer. So the third layer are these pieces. So this is pretty easy as well. Let's just pick a color. So how about yellow? Let's do yellow first. Okay, so here is the yellow piece that goes here. So we're going to bring it underneath where it has to go. And we're going to do that algorithm again. Right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down. Yay, so that's solved. What about the, let's see, how about we do blue next? Because I like the color blue. Okay, so blue. So let's see, can we find a blue piece? Oh, okay, so we have a situation where our blue piece is here. So like before, we just need to kick this out of place, and that's pretty easy to do. So here we go. So again, so you just bring this down once, move it out the way, and just bring this piece back up. Or if you want to know the algorithm, it's just right inverted, down inverted, right, and that's it. And so we've officially kicked that out of place. And so there it is, the blue piece. Let's bring it to where it has to go, underneath where it has to go. There we go. So it's underneath here. And let's put it right here using that algorithm again. Right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down, right inverted, right down. Perfect. All right. All right. Okay, we have another situation where our red piece is stuck here. And so again, we just need to move it out the way. So just bring this down once and just move it out the way and restore that to where it was before. And where's that red piece? It's right here. So now we can play with it. So here we go. Underneath where it has to go, right inverted, down inverted, right down, right inverted, down inverted, right down, right inverted, down inverted, right down. Awesome. Next, is there any more? Purple and green. Okay, so let's see. There's purple right here. So let's bring it to the purple side, underneath where it has to go. And when we put this here, that's going to kick this piece out. So we'll be able to use this green piece later, which is awesome. So here we go. Right inverted, right down. And there's our green piece. Now we can bring it where it has to go, underneath here. And here we go. Right inverted, right down. And we have officially finished our third layer. Awesome. So now that we have solved the first layer, second layer, and third layer, we can now do the final layer, which is the gray side. So let's take this white face and let's flip it to the bottom. And let's see what we have to work with. So we are going to try to first get two pairs next to each other. So let's see. So can anything pair up? So what we're going to want to do is we're going to, for example, let's take this piece here and let's bring it to where it should be. So let's align it with baby blue and cream. And now, is there any pieces next to it that should be next to it? Like, so over here should be baby blue and orange, and that is not here, so that cannot be the piece. Over here should be cream and pink, and that is not here either. So we can't do that. What about this one over here? Let's see if we can line it up. Okay, and the piece that should be here right next to it should be light green and orange, and that is not here. There should be pink and cream, and that piece is not here. So looks like we're gonna have to scramble this a little bit. So this algorithm, what it does is it actually keeps these two pieces safe, but while it keeps these two pieces safe, it scrambles these three. So let's just do that algorithm first. So we're gonna go up, right, up inverted 2 times, 1, 2, left inverted, up 2 times, 1, 2, right inverted, up inverted 2 times, left, up. All right, so that kept these two safe. And let's see, can anything be done about either of these pieces at all? So let's see, can anything be done? Okay, so if this piece was here, okay, so maybe what we can do is we can go like this and protect these two pieces and make this one scramble around, so that way this gets kicked out of place. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to protecting it like this, but this piece will be out of the way, so that way it can travel over to here when we start doing the algorithm from this side again. So here's what I mean. So we're going to want to protect this piece, but not this piece, so that way it can be kicked out of the way. So we're going to move it, rotate it like so. And okay, so now we're going to want to protect these two pieces and scramble these ones. So here we go. Up, right, up inverted 2 times. 1, 2. Left inverted. Up 2 times. 1, 2. Right inverted. Up inverted 2 times. 1, 2. Left, up. All right. So that kicked that piece out of place. So now that we've kicked it out of place, now we can start doing the algorithm from here. We may need to do it a few times, but eventually this will end up here, and that will give us the pair that we need. So here we go. All right. So here we go. Up, right, up inverted 2 times. 1, 2. Left inverted. Up 2 times. 1, 2. Right inverted. Up inverted 2 times. 1, 2. Left. Up. There we go. All right, so that piece is now up here. We just need it right here, and we will have our pair. Let's do that algorithm again. Up, right, up inverted twice. 1, 2. Left inverted. Up twice. 1, 2. Right inverted. Up inverted twice. 1, 2. Left, up. All right, so that is now where it needs to be. All right, cool. Now that we have the pair here, now we just need to keep these in place and continue to scramble these and these 3 pieces until they fall into place. So let's do that algorithm again. All right, so up, right, up inverted twice. 1, 2. Left inverted. Up twice. 1, 2. Right inverted. Up inverted twice. 1, 2. Left, up. All right, kept these 2 safe. Okay, so these are not all where they have to be. That's okay. Let's just keep scrambling them, and they eventually will be. Up, right, up inverted twice. 1, 2. Left inverted. Up twice. 1, 2. Right inverted. Up inverted twice. 1, 2. Left, up. Okay. And it would seem like they are all where they have to be now. So now we just need to orient them. That is awesome. Okay. So now we're just gonna, the ones that are perfectly oriented, we are just gonna leave these alone, and we're just gonna focus on the ones that need orienting, like this one, and that one. So here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna do that algorithm again, the right inverted, down inverted, right down. So here we go. So we're gonna do it like so. Right inverted, down inverted, right down, right inverted, down inverted, right down, right inverted, down inverted, right down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Okay, perfect. Perfectly aligned. Now we're just gonna move that piece to here. We're just gonna move the top piece. Don't move anything else. And so now we're gonna work with this. So here we go. Right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. Awesome. All right. Remember, don't mess with this. Just get this. So bring it to here, to this corner. Here we go. Right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. And now you just need to align the top layer and voila, you have solved your Kilominx. Thank you for joining me on Puzzle Shark.